Turbo, you've been busted. You've been busted in there cavorting with those yard birds. Who are those birds? You're totally busted, Turbs. You were so busted. I saw you pretending to be a chicken. Now you're gonna act all panicky, huh? Turbs. So there you have it. There's my faker bird. Total faker bird. Little faker. Turbs. That's what I've raised. Okay, we'll go snuggle on the porch for just a little while. Yeah, Turbs, you little faker. What is it, Turbs? What is it, Turbs? Pee pee pee? Is this what you're after, Turbs? A little sunset on the porch? I know, Turbs. It's too hot to snuggle, bud. Turbs. It's kind of too hot to snuggle, bud. Look at you, you're panting. Let's go, little bro. Everybody's super tired, Turbs. Chirp. Let's take you out to your bed. Okay, it's morning. I'm gonna go let the chickens out and see what kind of progress Turbo has made. He's right over there. I don't want him to hear me because he panics when he hears me and cries by the door. Turbo, you got hawk eyes. Are you sure you're not a little hawk? Turbs, are you sure you're not a little hawk? Hi, babes. Hi, Turb. Hi, my sweet bird. My baby. Go old school. Hi, lady birds and boy bird. Come on out. Woo. Oh, not little birds. Little birds stay in. Did you have fun with your birds? Did you snuggle? Did you snuggle with them? Look at them. Let's go in and see them. See, Turbs, these birds aren't bad at all. These birds aren't bad at all. They're really sweet. They want to share your shoulder with you, Turbs. Turbs is looking very defiant. Is that your defiant craw forward stance? Turbs. This bird's sweet too. No eye pecking. This bird is sweet too, Turbs. This one's really sweet. Look. Turbs is pretending this is not happening. Hey, bird. Hey, girl. Look, Turbs, she's gonna share your shoulder and peck at you. Oh, ow. Why wouldn't you want to be out here with these birds? Look, they're pecking my dress. They're so friendly. They're so friendly. Turbo. These are your buddies. These are your buddies. Oh, the best of both worlds. In the coop with your friends and you have your mama. Look at these sweet birds, Turbs. Do you want to be part of that little pig pile? You don't want to be part of that? Turbs? No, I don't. Turbs. you finding in your nest?